Hello and welcome back to a Pixify tutorial. Today we'll be showing you how to create this cool splatter paint effect which can be used on any image. This technique is perfect for all Canva user levels. Okay, let's jump into Canva. Firstly, we'll need to add an image. Go to Elements and search for cup. We will use this red cup. Now we'll simply readjust the image into place. We'll now need to add some paint splatters. To do this, go to Elements and search for ink splatters under Graphics. As you can see, there are many different kinds of splatters. We'll start by using these fine splatters. To change the paint colour, click on the colour square. As you can see, Canva has picked up all the colours in this cup image. We'll start by changing the splatter to a shade of red. A little tip is to duplicate the splatter a few times and then move them around and put them into place. Repeat this process, but don't forget to rotate the direction and the size of the ink splatters. This will make it look more realistic. We'll also use a few dark red tones. You'll need to keep adding splatters along the cup until you can no longer see where the cup ends and the paint starts. We'll also add a few white splatters. Now we'll just add a few large splatters too. To make this cup look like it's hovering, we'll need to add a shadow. Simply go to Elements and search for Shadow. We'll select this oval shape. Simply resize it and place it under the cup. And here is the final result. We hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and if you enjoyed following along, make sure to subscribe as we release new Canva tutorials weekly. Thank you so much for following along, and we cannot wait to see you in our next video.